In this video tutorial, you will learn how to set up automated client reminders in Planeolo. You need to first set up the email template for automated reminders. In the Reminders tab, create a new email template that you can call Automated Reminder. By default, the automatically loaded for is set to Feedback Auto Reminder. You have the option to copy text from the manual reminder or write a new message. It's important to include any pertinent notes to highlight that this is an automated reminder. Press Save Changed once complete. Head to Project Settings of a project. Here, define the feedback timeframe, indicating the expected duration for client feedback. Activate the automated reminder feature by enabling the toggle. Now, define the reminder frequency and interval to fit your project needs. Options include daily, every 2 days, or every 3 days. Ensure you save these settings to activate the automated reminders. Planeolo will then monitor client interactions and feedback. If there's no client engagement within the set timeframe, the status updates to overdue feedback. At this point, Planeolo initiates the sending of reminders according to your defined frequency. With these steps, you have successfully set up automated client reminders in Planeolo, enhancing your client communication and project management efficiency.